Hey, what's going on, wealth builders? You know, yesterday the crypto market, the entire market was down. And I mean, it was down quite a bit. I actually wanted to make some purchases yesterday, but I decided to hold off to see exactly what the market was going to do today. Was it going to go in an upward trend? Was it going to continue the downward trend? And it actually started going back up. So I was like, hey, this is the perfect time for me to purchase some more crypto. So I'm going to purchase 5 different cryptocurrencies. In this video, I'm going to look at some of the past performances, probably no more than the last week or maybe the last 30 days. I'm not going to go too far out. And I want to see what type of potential these 5 different currencies have. Hey, welcome to Point Finance, everyone. My name is Rod, and on this channel, we talk about investing. We talk about stocks. We talk about crypto, but more importantly, we talk about investing on a budget. If you don't have a lot of money to invest, you're in the right place to learn how to invest with just a small, and I mean a small amount of money. With all that being said, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Give the video a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. You never know who can learn from information like this. And with all that being said, let's get paid, baby. Okay, here we are on Live Coin Watch. This is where I like to go to see what the various cryptocurrencies are doing at any given time. And I'm going to be focusing on 5 different cryptocurrencies that I'm going to be purchasing. So I'm going to be on Live Coin Watch, and then I'm going to go over to crypto.com on my app on my phone, because that's where I'm actually going to be making the purchases. But as I can see right now, and the market is still recovering. Bitcoin is actually down in the last 24 hours, which is right here. The second column is down 1.81%. And I'm not going to go through the entire thing. I just kind of want to see what the market's been doing. So you see a sprinkle of red and green and red and green. So I think I picked a good time. I know how far the crypto market went down yesterday. And for it to be making a comeback, it's making a comeback, but it's still a good time for me to make some crypto purchases. Now, the first coin I'm going to be focusing on is the 4th largest token by market capitalization. What market capitalization is the number of coins in circulation, the number of coins out there multiplied times the price, and they give it the market capitalization, also known as the market cap. So the first one I'm going to be looking at is Binance, ticker symbol BNB, the Binance coin. And as I can see right now, today it's up 2.96%. It went down significantly yesterday. It's currently trading at $414.82. It has an all-time high of $691.56. And in the last 7 days, it is down 8.07%. So I know I have some room to actually make some money because it's still down 8.07% in the last week. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and go over to my crypto.com app. Let me slide over here real quick. If I can find out where my app is, there it is right there. Face ID, we are in. As you can see, I have $2,553.71 in my account. And I'm going to scroll down to, I already have some BNB in here. Here it is, Binance coin. I currently have 0.1565 BNB coins in my portfolio. So I'm going to go ahead and make a purchase. All I have to do right here is click buy. Go to my fiat wallet. I do have $126.42 to invest. Remember, we're investing on a budget. I'm going to make 5 different purchases. And with these 5 different purchases, I'm actually going to do $25 per coin. Again, you don't need a lot of money. So one thing I don't like about, I should be able to just put, I want to spend $25, but for some reason, they don't make it that easy. So now I have to do, let me go out of here and come back in because I went over too far. Go to my fiat wallet because that's where the money is. I'm going to go here and I'm going to go here. 0.06. Wow, it's putting me right at $25. So I'm going to go ahead and buy 0.06 of a coin. It's going to spin a little bit. It's going to confirm it went up to 25.04. I'm not too worried about that. It went up just that quick. And there it is. I've purchased 0.06 of a Binance coin token. And I just earned 5 diamonds, which is part of the Crypto.com missions program, where I can earn, once I get 25 diamonds, I can redeem it for some CRO or Chronos token. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of this, go back over to Live Coin Watch, go back to the coins, and I'm going to be multitasking here, so y'all just bear with me, man, bear with me. Now I'm going to scroll down. The next coin that I'm going to get, I've already got the BNB, that's number 1, is Solana, ticker symbol SOL. It's currently trading at $105.70. It has an all-time high of $259, so it has a lot of room to get back to that all-time high. Today it's up 3.01%, and the last week is down 20.27%. I'm not going to waste too much time. I'm not trying to drag this out, so I'm going to go ahead and go back to my Crypto.com app, go back here, and I already have some Solana right here. So I'm going to click this. I currently have 0.2285 Solana, almost a quarter of a token, worth $24.30. I'm going to buy Solana, go back to my fiat wallet, click this. I'm not going to get 3.3. It defaults to that. So I'm going to get, say 0.25. Let's try that. And that'll put me at 20. So 2.4. That'll put me at 20. I'm going to put 2.3 there and 2.35. That put me right where I want to be. Click that. Verified. Total cost $25.02. Give it a minute. And I just purchased almost a quarter of Solana. So next on the list, going back to Live Coin Watch is, and I already know what I'm going to buy, but I kind of want to just go in order here. Next is going to be Luna, Terra Luna, ticker symbol Luna. It's currently trading at $85.22. It has an all-time high of $118.74. Not too much growth there, but it's enough for me. It's down 1.2% today, down 26.67% for the last week. So I'm going to go back over here, make a purchase real quick, go back here. Go down to my Luna, and I know Luna is down at the bottom because I typically transfer my Terra Luna out of Crypto.com over to Celsius, where I make 6.02% on my crypto holdings. So I'm going to go ahead and hit buy, go to my fiat wallet, 85. I should be able to get more than a quarter here, so I'm going to go to 0.3. That put me at 25, so I'm going to put 0.29 and leave it there, 0.29, buy 0.29. It's going to ask me to confirm. There it is. I purchased a little over a quarter of a Luna. So you're probably saying, well, Rod, you're not getting that much crypto. Well, I'm not investing a lot of money, and that's the whole purpose of this channel. We're showing everyone how you don't need a lot of money, but I did the same thing with my stock portfolios. I put a little at a time, whatever I could afford, a little at a time, and now I have 5 figures in most of my portfolios. So definitely, it doesn't seem like a lot now, but if you're consistent and persistent, it will grow and be a larger amount before you know it. So we've gotten Terra, we've gotten Solana, we've gotten BNB. We got 2 more we're going to get here, and the next one on the list is going to be, I'm going to scroll down. I could easily go to the top and type this in. The next one I'm going to get is 𝗕 Protocol, ticker symbol 𝗕. It's currently trading at $16.69. All-time high of $20.47. A little bit of room to grow there. It's up 4.7% today and up 1.46% for the week. So I'm not really getting it at the best price I could get it at, but I'm still happy with that. Go ahead and go back over here into my Crypto.com app. We are going to go to 𝗕 Protocol, which is my second largest holding in my Crypto.com portfolio. I currently have 18.985 𝗕 tokens worth $318.56. I'm going to click buy, go to my fiat wallet, which is basically just your regular money. I don't know why it's telling me 70. It always defaults to some number I never want to do. And I'm going to go ahead and put 1.3. That said $21.81. I'm gonna go 1.5. I'm gonna go 1. I'm trying not to go over that. There we go. 1.4. Let's make it 1.47. And there we go. I'm trying to get as close to $25 as I can. Click buy it. It's gonna confirm it. Face ID. Make sure it's me. There it is. I bought almost 1.5 near tokens. So again, we're going back and one more to buy. So what's going to be the last choice? And I am going to show y'all something here because I don't want to scroll down. I know the next one I want to get is Polygon, so I'm going to type in the symbol 𝗪𝗧𝗡𝗘𝗘. It's right here. It'll automatically take me to it just to show y'all something different. And here we are. Polygon is currently trading at $1.42. Its all-time high is $2.92. So I had a potential to over double my money if it gets back to that all-time high. It's currently up 4.58% today, but it's down 12.18% for the week. So it gives me, again, I know I have opportunity to make money with this purchase. So now I'm going to go back over to crypto.com, go back here, and I'm going to go to my 𝗪𝗧𝗡𝗘𝗘 tokens, which is right here. Actually, not that one. I currently have 29.37 𝗪𝗧𝗡𝗘𝗘 tokens in my portfolio worth $42.29. I'm going to hit buy 𝗪𝗧𝗡𝗘𝗘. And I know I want to spend $25, so I'm going to go ahead and say probably about, we'll say 16. We'll say 16. Oh, I was close. 17. And we'll leave it at 17. We'll just keep it even. 17. 24.44. Confirm the purchase. Give it a second. It's going to do the Face ID. Purchase. It should go up to about 46 and some change here in a second. I'm not going to wait on that. There it is, 46.37. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen, just that quick. I went ahead and purchased 5 different tokens with $125. I mean, now, if you don't have $125, you may just want to do 2 tokens or 3 tokens, whatever you got. And you don't have to do $25. You could do 10 of these. So I could have did all 5 of those with $50, but I chose to go ahead and do it with 25 and go ahead and spread it amongst 5. So tell me, what do you think of the purchases I just made? Also, what do you think about being able to purchase crypto with such a small amount of money? Did you know you could do that? Are you new to crypto? Are you learning something? I'd love to hear about it. Please post it down in the comments below. Again, if you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up and help it get pushed out to more people. Share the channel with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. As always, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I will be coming at you soon, dropping more knowledge. And until the next time, peace, baby.